Just a short video today. This is my Breville Infuser coffee machine. I've had it for, I don't know, maybe 5 years. It's had quite a workout and it's been quite a reliable machine. Up until the other day where it developed a very interesting fault, and that fault being that the water pump would run continuously regardless of whether the unit was powered or not. It developed while I was pulling a shot of coffee. It just wouldn't stop, and turning the unit off, it would continue to run, which was a bit of a concern. I mean, if nobody was home, who knows, what would happen if that pump was running continuously. Anyway, just a short video to crack it open and have a bit of a look at what the problem was. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to open this. There's quite a few videos already out there, but it's just a matter of undoing all the screws there. There's also two under the front section and one under the hidden cap. There's a couple in the base too you'll need to remove. And once you're in the unit, there's a control module, which if you unplug and remove a couple of screws, you can get access to the PCB. So what I worked out was that this triac here is responsible for controlling the pump, and it seemed to be stuck on, so shorted out. But looking closely, I thought perhaps it had just blown because there was some black gunk on the pins. However, looking really closely, they're actually ants. So it seemed, for whatever reason, there were some ants that like the buzz of the 240 volt on these pins and made themselves nice and cozy there. And that must have contributed to the failure of the part. Now, it seems to be a thing, ants and electrical equipment, perhaps because of the warmth or some other reason, not really sure, but ended up just swapping that triac out, and they got the machine up and running correctly again. So for me, this was really a reminder to turn off your electrical equipment at the power point, especially if you're away for an extended period. Okay, time for a coffee. Thanks for watching.